I was gifted this beloved product from K-beauty brand Rovectin, and I gotta tell you, it's amazing. Now this is called hyaluronic essence because it actually has 7 different hyaluronic acids in it. And you can see that it has some decent viscosity. I love that word. And it's just this really, really lovely toner plus essence. And all you really do is just put it on, and it feels luxurious and hydrating, and it does so much more. It has papaya fruit extract, caffeine, vitamin B5, and even an EWG certified aqua cell activator. So there is a lot going on in this. And another thing that's incredible about Rovectin is they are a clean beauty brand. Their focus is scientifically backed products that source natural ingredients without additives. You can feel really good about putting it on your face, and I gotta tell you, it feels so nice right now. It's still just slightly tacky. It's ready for me to put moisturizer on, but I feel really, really good. And I absolutely love this toner. I understand why it is so incredibly popular, and I highly recommend you giving it a try.